On the off chance that you're searching for Dogelon Mars cost expectations, estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and generally need to know where the costs of Dogelon Mars will go from here on out. We will examine the previous costs of Dogelon Mars and will generally figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities, which basically is genuinely huge. Kindly truly remember that you want to all things considered. Take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master, investigators, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Also foreseeing something so amazing is totally inconceivable, which for the most part is genuinely critical. In any case, we will really make an honest effort. How about we start, which is very huge. Dogelon Mars kind of past value examination incredibly. As per the most recent information accumulated, the fundamentally current cost of Dogelon Mars is $0. ELON is at present generally positioned number 157 in the very whole crypto-biological system in a significant manner. The core supply of Dogelon Mars is 549,652,770,159,580 with a market cap of $177,440,934, which is genuinely critical. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been essentially diminished by 0.43% in its genuinely current worth in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we analyze the truly current market cap of the ELON with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down. Dogelon Mars sort of is confronting a quite difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The ELON sort of is down to nearly 16.98% over the most recent 7 days. The coin especially is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could major areas of strength for have, however, we don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. We foresee future Dogelon Mars cost expectations. ELON estimate by applying profound extremely man-made reasoning helps specialized examination on the past value information of Dogelon Mars. We generally do our practically awesome to gather greatest verifiable information for the ELON coin, which incorporates sort of numerous boundaries like sort of past value, Dogelon Mars market cap, Dogelon Mars volume, and by and large barely any genuinely more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and need great profit from in every practical sense, your speculations explicitly make a point to peruse our expectations. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2023 as per our profound specialized examination on certainly past value information of ELON. In 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars is gauged to be at around a base worth of $0. The Dogelon Mars value worth can arrive at a limit of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 USD, which is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2024 as per our truly profound specialized examination on past value information of ELON. In 2024, the cost of Dogelon Mars is anticipated to reach at a fundamentally least degree of $0. The ELON cost can arrive at an essentially most extreme degree of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0. ELON value gauge for 2025, the cost of Dogelon Mars in a real sense is anticipated to reach at a really least degree of $0 2025. Or so they thought. The Dogelon Mars cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0, the typical cost of $0 through 2025. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2026 Dogelon Mars cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced especially conceivable degree of $0 2026. According to our discoveries, the ELON cost could arrive at a greatest kind of conceivable degree of $0, the typical estimate cost of $0. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2027 according to the figure in specialized examination. In 2027, the cost of Dogelon Mars is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $0. The ELON cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, the typical worth of $0. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2028 the cost of one Dogelon Mars is supposed to reach at least degree of $0 2028 in an unpretentious manner. The ELON cost can really arrive at a truly most extreme degree of $0, the typical cost of $0 through 2028. Which is very huge, in an unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2029 according to the estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2029, the cost of Dogelon Mars is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0. The ELON cost can sort of arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0. Dogelon Mars value estimate 2030 the cost of Dogelon Mars is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0 2030. The Dogelon Mars cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0 through 2030. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2031 the cost of Dogelon Mars is anticipated to reach at an essentially least worth of $0 2031. The dogelon Mars cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0, the typical exchanging cost of $0 through 2031, which is very huge. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2032 Dogelon Mars cost is gauged to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $0 2032. According to our discoveries, the ELON cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0, the typical estimate cost of $0, which is very critical. What will be the ELON most elevated figure cost for 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The ELON cost is supposed to generally arrive at a most extreme degree of $0 the finish of 2023. How genuinely much does Dogelon Mars cost in 2024? The cost of Dogelon Mars will increment as additional financial backers in every way that really matters engage in the undertaking. In year 2024, Dogelon Mars will be especially worth about a normal cost of $0. Is Dogelon Mars a fundamentally wise venture? Dogelon Mars' esteem is supposed to keep on growing, as deficiency will in general empower cost ascend in an unpretentious way. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any speculation. Just fundamentally put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and lead the greatest examination conceivable, which is genuinely critical. What is the fate of Dogelon Mars? The fate of Dogelon Mars is exceptionally reliant upon the general presentation of the crypto business incredibly. With regards to putting resources into ELON, you want to ensure that you in a real sense are utilizing the right technique. This kind of venture in every way that really matters isn't appropriate for those with an uneven gamble profile, which is genuinely huge. Nonetheless, still a brilliant venture for those have an exceptionally high capacity to bear risk and a truly strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its theoretical nature, ELON likewise in a real sense offers openness to a worldwide innovation in a consistently developing environment. How basically will Dogelon Mars be somewhat worth in 2030? As far as value, Dogelon Mars has a remarkable potential to arrive at new levels. It generally is gauged that ELON will increment in esteem. As per kind of unambiguous specialists and business experts, Dogelon Mars can stir things up around town cost of $0 2030 in an unpretentious manner. How high might Dogelon Mars at any point go in an unpretentious manner? The especially normal cost of Dogelon Mars could go to $0 the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it certainly is assessed that the coin will handily come to the $0, which most certainly is genuinely critical. What amount will Dogelon Mars be especially worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Dogelon Mars will explicitly have a base cost of $0, a most extreme cost of $0 ELON. Since Dogelon Mars is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth changes radically. What is the Dogelon Mars cost today, in spite of prevalent thinking? Today Dogelon Mars basically is exchanging at $0, the market cap of $177,440,934 in a significant manner.